Stars, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so y'all, our locks were getting very raggedy over here. Okay, I had stopped wrapping them. I had stopped, like, just the whole maintenance part of my hairstyle. I cold turkey, like, cut it off, and I had all intention to actually remove them. But once I had looked at them and decided, like, okay, we're gonna take them out, I said, you know what, maybe we could just touch them up real quick, because I have been wanting to, you know, wear the locks. I have watched a couple videos, okay, about like touch-ups or whatever, and how I normally do my locks, I don't crochet the hair like through. I plait my hair, and then I just twist the twisting hair around the braid and the lock. I never crochet it through. But I tried that method today, and we got a whole new hairstyle now all over again. You can kind of see they're definitely worn. Some of my hair is coming out of a couple of them, but honestly, like, this was a free do, y'all. I had hair left over from the last time that I did my hair, so it wasn't like I went and had to spend any money, and I didn't have to pay anybody to touch my hair up, and I just saved my hair. I maybe gave it a couple more weeks, y'all. What y'all think? How does it look? So yes, if you guys want to see how we touched up our locks this go round, keep on watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so before you dip up out of here. Like, comment, share this video, and yeah, so let's get into it, y'all. All right, y'all, so I want, before I show you guys like a close-up on how we achieved the fresher side, let me zoom in. So I want you guys to see where we started and where we're at. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys a close-up on how I touched my roots up here. And I don't know why I feel like I have to keep stressing to y'all that I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm not a professional, I'm self-taught, okay? Because I'm like over people trying to charge me. And I get it, like, it's how you guys make your money or whatever, but I ain't got $300 just to be dropping like that for some hairstyle. Not if I feel like I can kind of do an okay job on my own. So again, this is where we started, and this is where we are right now. So stay tuned for the next clip so you guys can get an up close tutorial on how I achieved this versus this. All right, y'all, I hope that you can see well enough. But so yeah, so my locks are, I want to say, officially 6 weeks old, and I don't have no other style to do right now. So we're just gonna kind of touch up some of them here. Now, I've never done this before, like a touch-up method. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of take a little bit of hair. I don't know if you guys can see. It's very thin. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Okay. I'm literally taking a thin amount of twisting hair. Is it called twisting hair? I'm gonna list it in the description box below, okay? So we're gonna take our crochet needle here, and I'm just going to put it through. Oh, hold on, y'all. Okay, let's try that again, y'all. My bad. All right. So I've never tried this way before, you guys, and for whatever reason, I feel like I'm just not. What are you doing, Angie? All right, girl. Listen, I am not a professional, okay? All I know is that I taught myself after a couple times on how to do locks, y'all. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna twist it around here. Can y'all see what's happening here? I mean, it tightened it up a little bit, if y'all can see. I didn't use a lot of hair though, because I'm not trying to make it look bulky. And honestly, these aren't gonna stay in that much longer. But like I said, I don't have nothing to do to my hair right now. So we really was just trying to clean them up a little bit. But I'm so glad that, you know, this is actually happening the way that it is, because folks be getting online and be acting like, you know, everything be perfect. And I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Like, I am not a professional hairstylist, okay? I'm not a professional loctician. Like, it ain't my lane. All I know is that I was not gonna pay the girl $300 to do my hair when that's what she quoted me at. So there it is. All right, we're gonna do one more, feeding it through the hair. Oh, Lord have mercy. I feel like I just don't, like, I'm not fluid enough. Okay, that was better. I'm still getting all tangled and stuff. So as y'all can see, I crocheted the hair through the root of my hair. And I'm kind of pinching it at the root here. And then I'm just going to wrap it around a few times so that it's nice and snug, secure rather. Okay. And now we can just kind of freehand here and just take it down. I mean, not terrible. Can y'all see that? I mean, you can definitely see the difference. It's definitely tightened it. And honestly, for free, honey, I'm okay with that. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do it one more time for y'all, and then we're going to get busy, because otherwise I'll be here all night. All right, so we're taking our needle through the root of our hair. We're going to feed our hair onto our crochet needle, and we're gonna pull it through like so. You see that? It's through there. We're gonna pinch at the root, and then we're gonna twist around. As y'all can see, that tightened it up, and that's fine by me. And we're gonna let it rip. Looks better already, you guys. It's like night and day. Like you guys can see, I mean, I definitely had some new growth, but it's definitely a lot neater, and I'm satisfied with that. So, all right, so I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and get busy on my hair, y'all, and then I'll see y'all back in a little while. And there we have it, you guys. I hope that this, oh, I just hit my arm. I hope that this video was helpful to some. I know I said it a bunch of times, like I am not a professional, y'all. I don't have a hair license. I'm like, did not go to hair school at all. What happened is that I really just got tired. I have a lot of hair. So anytime I want styles like this, like I know I'm gonna have to pay for it. And there have been times where I have in the past paid for people to do my hair. But then I was like, you know what harm would it be if I taught myself how to do something on my own, right? So this is how it turned out. Let me give you a closer look, so you guys can see. Of course, we had to pull the edges out, honey, because we can't be losing them. I lost them enough after having my baby. Yes, the gray is real. I saved my hairstyle, y'all. I bought me some time until we can figure out what we're gonna do next. So as stated before, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do so. Before you leave up out of here, thank you for coming back to the channel. If you're returning and if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I love to have you. Like, comment, and share this video, you guys. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so that we can have a chance to monetize this channel. If this is a video that you guys enjoyed and you want to see more stuff like this, I do a little bit of hair stuff, okay, on the side, and maybe I can get one of those girls to let me record me doing their hair. Or the next time where I do my hair, if you guys want to see how I do my locks, again, I'm not professional, but it's like real deal, like beginner friendly, okay? So if y'all want to see that, drop it in the comments and let me know. Don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms. I'll link those in the description box below. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Spread love. Is free. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. And I love you guys so much for stopping by. And I'll see y'all next time. Okay? Okay.